So there's Buddy over there. I just filled up some water. In that tub there, he likes to get in it. A couple inches of water in there. Right now he's being timid. Sprinkled some cat food out there for them. Yeah. I see you, Buddy. Come on. Come on, Buddy. Don't be afraid. It's really difficult this time of year for the birds. There's not a lot to eat. It's so hot. Come on. Come on up. Any other time you guys are up here, I want to take your picture and you're hiding. Camera shy. Come on, Cranky Dove. Yeah, there'll be 30, 40 of them in my yard. This afternoon, all getting water and food. There's Cranky Dove. Keep saying, you're not going to heaven, Cranky Dove. You're just too mean. Come on. Come on, Buddy. Come on, Buddy. Don't be afraid of the Cranky Dove. She won't hurt you. Mourning Doves. Come on, Buddy. Well, come on. Hear him. We don't get a real big variety of birds. We have doves, and we have lots of grackles. We get little finches. And then, of course, we have the big ones, the vultures and the hawks. I hear you, Buddy. Come on. Buddy is a very young grackle, I'd say. This is his first year. I don't know. What are they called? Fledgling? I'm not sure. Come on, Buddy. He's looking better. Come on, Buddy. Come on, baby. But he does enjoy getting into that big tub of water and taking a little bird bath. There, he got one. Come on, Buddy. They're here all day long. Somebody's doing yard work. I did mine yesterday. Boy, it was hot. You see all those clouds over there? Those are called monsoon clouds. And every day about this time they build up, and we all pray and hope for rain, but very seldom does it come. And a little bit this morning, maybe about 5 minutes. That was it. We sure need it. Doves come first, and then usually the grackles come later on. Boy, it's hot today. I'm going to guess what? John, what do you think it is? 112, 113? Another miserable summer day in Arizona. Maybe we'll all jump in the pool tonight.
Feels hotter than it did earlier.
It always gets hot. Our hottest time of day is about 4 o'clock. Just miserable. Cranky Dove, be nice. I guess it's animal day in my house. Hi. Hi, here's my Maggie. She thinks I taste like chicken. Say hi, Maggie. We're laying on the couch trying to cool down. Yeah, she thinks Mama tastes like chicken today. And Roxy. Come here, Rox. Come here. And my other baby. Come here. So, say hi, Roxy. And there's Mom. Mom, wave hi. Say hi, Mom. Mom's eating cookies. I got doggies everywhere. I got cats. I got birds. It's Animal House Day. Why are you licking Mom? Why are you guys licking Mom? Yeah, give your baby a... Aww. Yes, I love you guys too. We gotta find the rat. So I ordered humane, no-kill rat traps. Because I don't want to kill that mouse, but I want to trap it and move it far, far away out in a field. And I don't want no rat babies. It's out there. See where the buffalo check is? There's a sliding door there. And there's a room out there. It's actually our patio that I had it walled in. And that's where it is. So it's not in the house, but boy, I don't want it to get in here. What am I going to do with you guys? I feel like I'm wearing a fur coat with my babies here. Roxy and Maggie, my girls. It's a lazy day. A hot, lazy day. You love Mama? You love Mama? I love you guys. I love you guys too. Okay, you go back down there. Go down there. You lay down here. Lay down here so we can see Grandma. There's my mom. Wave at the camera, Mom. Tell everybody hi. Oh, Mom's having a snack because we're going to have homemade tacos for dinner. Soft tacos. That sounds good. You know, it gets hot like this. I don't really feel like cooking too much. Yep, we got to catch the rat. We tried last night. The cats were playing with it. They seem to be very fond of one another. It's a cute little rat. It's tan, light tan. But like I say, I don't want it in my house. Or baby rats. All right, well, I'm going to cook dinner soon. So yay, I got the rat outside. And it is so smart. So now it's climbing up on the window air conditioner. There's a small crack and it's trying to get in. So I'm beating on the window, yelling at it, and it doesn't get. It's not afraid. So I'm shooing it away. It runs from the front yard to the backyard, to the front yard, to the backyard. So we're scared to death that it's going to get back in the house. So I had to move the air conditioner out of the window and close the window so it wouldn't get in. Okay, so now I am really getting mad. And I armed myself with my cowboy boots, a pool pole, and a net. And I went right out there with the intention to kill that rat. So now, Mom and my two sons, John and Matt, went out to the front patio just to sit. And guess who shows up? That dirty rat. He runs under their feet. Mom's legs jump up. Matt's legs jump up. John's legs jump up. And this rat is running around playing with them on the front porch. Now that rat, he gets up in the door frame and he must feel the cold air coming out from under the door, and he scratches at that door like, "Let me in." Oh, rat, when I get those traps, you are gonna go. So, this is the end of my story for today. But as soon as I get those traps, you are a goner. So, the rat saga will continue. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye for now. Thanks for listening. Love you guys.